Hi everyone, so here we have the pumpkin milk that we just made, and as you can see it is really simple and easy to make. So the story behind this drink is that whenever fall or autumn, depending on where you live, comes around, there is the season for pumpkin, and what we usually do is we make pumpkin milk with it. So pumpkin milk is very good for your health. Pumpkins provide potassium and vitamins and minerals. It's good for your skin too. So this is a very good and healthy drink to make. So that's my story behind this pumpkin milk drink. So have you tried pumpkin milk before? If not, you should make this pumpkin milk. It's very good for your health and it's very tasty and delicious. Okay, thank you for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed watching it. And please remember to subscribe to my channel. Leave me a story. Thank you.